The operations of insurance companies now cover a very extended field and are continually growing consequent upon legislative enactments and improved methods of locomotion. Full stop. There is the Workmen's Compensation Act, which deals with accidents arising out of and in the course of employment, and claims for compensation are made for minor accidents such as the dislocation of the wrist and unhappily also for fatal accidents. Full stop. Often this compensation is paid in a lump sum in full discharge of all claims. Full stop. Evidence of a definite contract or arrangement must be shown in the case of casual employment before compensation can be claimed. Full stop. Third party indemnity insurance is concerned with the liability of persons to third parties in respect of personal injury and damage to property. Full stop. Close.